Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials: power, mount, and control. Plug the 220V feed or start the 5 kW generator. Make sure ground is solid. Do not skip earth connection. Bolt the truss at 6 to 8 meters and attach safety cables. Once secured, install the huge spotlight and connect the DMX cable. Set the spotlight to master mode and assign a DMX address. Then verify firmware version so the unit responds predictably. This gets you ready to power up and test. Once powered, run the lamp warm-up for 3 to 5 minutes and watch current draw to ensure no spikes. Begin with coarse aiming. Move the unit to target area, then switch to fine adjustments using 1 to 2 degree pan and tilt steps so you avoid overshoot. Adjust beam width and focus to match coverage needs, and set intensity to balance glare versus illumination. Make sure to save DMX values and take a test photo. This preserves settings for the next run and explains why each adjustment matters. For the final run, start in low-impact mode and ramp intensity gradually over 10 to 30 seconds. This protects the lamp and reduces inrush. Monitor temperatures and cooling fans. If fans fail, reduce output and cool down immediately to avoid damage. If you see flicker, check DMX continuity first, then inspect ballast fuse and main stability. Replacing a blown fuse often restores function. Finally, keep a backup unit ready and log settings and faults so you can diagnose recurring issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.